Hey YouTube, welcome back to the African Allure Outdoors. It's Sunday afternoon. I promised you guys a video, and yeah, let's just say life is getting a bit away from me at the moment. It's just one of those things. Anyway, the short clip that you've just seen, you saw a sound and you heard a sound that gets my blood pumping, and that is the thunk of the bow and that bush pig roaring. I guess it's I'm a bit of an adrenaline junkie. I spent many of my early working days working in places like Kruger Park and some of the private game reserves, Zambia, doing walking trails amongst other things. And some of the best encounters that I loved in that time was walking into big predators on foot, unarmed. It was a very humbling experience. Sometimes you got growled at and it sounds like a big V8 backfiring. But to me, it was just a way of making me feel somewhat human, to get that blood pumping, the heart pounding, your adrenaline surge. That I'm still privileged to be able to do to this very day. I still get to work in big 5 areas. I still get to walk. I still get to walk after big cats and elephants and all those good things. So I'm very fortunate. I'm blessed to have a outfitting company. I'm blessed to own property with animals and share that with an amazing family. And I get to share all of this with guests sometimes. And this is what keeps me alive. So, what you heard just there is one of the things that makes me feel human. And I hope you guys will too one day enjoy the sound that I experience and that gets my heart pounding. And I look forward to sharing that part with you. So, stay tuned, like and subscribe down below, and I promise you I'll bring you some better content. Peace out. Cheers.